Hi y'all, this is a bonus Monday vlog. So I'm gonna try to get this little bonus mini vlog up to y'all today. Now I did stop by the Dollar Tree and I found, let y'all know what I found. I found some 2-ply ultra soft bathroom toilet tissue. 6 come in here and it was only for $1. And I was like, yes, let me grab a few of these because I need them around the house. So tonight I'm gonna make some more rice. I picked up a couple of packs of the Mahatma spicy jalapeno rice. So I'm gonna do like a big pot of this rice. All I gotta do is just warm it up and pour it in the pot. I know I wanna light a candle tonight. Light that bathroom candle too, that's what I need to do. I need to wipe down my sink, the toilet, yeah, all that good stuff. Okay, somebody did not do the dishes. Hold on, y'all. Y'all like, what are you doing? These dishes should have been done already. Yes, y'all, I want you to know that once a blue moon, and this is just once a blue moon, I can miss my mom. I can miss my grandparents. And it's a lonely feeling when I know that I cannot pick up the phone and call them. Because sometimes in life, I need to talk to my mom. I need to talk to my dad. I need to talk to my grandma, or I just need to see them sometimes. But my point I'm trying to make is sometimes I miss them, and sometimes that missing them feeling can be a lonely feeling. But being present in this time and knowing that I cannot call my mom or my dad, that is the most lonely feeling in the world to me. Have my own family. My mama, I can't call my mama, and I miss that. And that's a lonely feeling sometimes. And tonight I'm gonna burn some more sage, and I need to light my sage, to be honest with y'all. I'll be right back. Just burning my sage to cleanse my energy and to purify the air, get rid of that negative. I love the smell of sage. Just to cleanse everything, just sage. Cleanse my energy. But girl, I need to go clean this bathroom, okay? Thought I'd share this little moment with y'all of me smudging and cleansing. I'm not gonna smudge myself and my home too much. I guess I'm a smudge myself and my home like every other week. So cleaning this bathroom, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna light my Dollar Tree candle. Gotta light this. And I need to move it, so let's go over there like this. I don't know if y'all can see. We gonna move this out the way. Okay, I'm not gonna like over clean tonight, y'all. I'm gonna just light clean. But hold on, I need to put y'all on something. Okay. honestly, I did not want to let y'all all the way up into my toilet. Y'all probably would have seen dirt up in here. So I had to cut part of the video out. I'm not too comfortable yet showing my dirty toilet. So I'm gonna use this Profusion eyeshadow palette that I purchased a while ago. I'm loving the lime green color right here. And I also wanna try the olive green tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna wake up in the morning and do my makeup. Girl, I am tackling this refrigerator door handle because food gets in there and when we touch the refrigerator with our dirty hands. So I'm gonna clean this up with this Q-tip. Yeah, because I am just a cleaning junkie. Yep, got some more refrigerator door handle junk stunk up in here, but I'm about to get it out with this Q-tip because I can't stand it. Gotta get it up out of there. Gotta get to the bottom of it. I can't stand it, y'all. That's why I got this Q-tip. Clean it, clean it, clean it. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog. I'm just gonna take it easy with cleaning tomorrow. Just clean one step at a time, because when I clean, y'all, I'll be like, oh, I gotta do it right away. I gotta get it done. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, and we'll play around with my makeup eyeshadow palette in the morning. Until then, y'all, have a good night. Comment down below. Let me know how your Monday morning or night went, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.